Guys, welcome back, it's Farah and I'm here today. We're going to be doing a replacement of a XP95 optical with a nice Discovery optical. Well, I want to get some multi-sense for the shed, but yeah. Also, next video that's going to come out will probably be the last test of the gent, unless that one comes out first and this one will be second. But yeah. So we're replacing the one in the actual near my workbench, but yeah. But as you can see, very nice install MX Pro 5. We have the Gent IO still up, but it's empty. I just couldn't be bothered to take it down. Too much effort. Also, if I did take it down, I'd have to run a new longer wire from that Discovery wall sounder beacon open area down to the cool point. And I had no opportunity to do that. Also, it means taking down the ceiling, which is a nightmare. Okay, so I'm going to quickly unlock the memory for the fire panel. And yeah, as you can see, beautiful wiring. Well, I didn't fully complete it, but yeah, just kind of ran it semi-neatly. That's a better word. Okay, menu. Let's go to tools, commissioning. Alright, then we can go into loops, loop 1, and if we take the cover off, place that here, come over here, take that down, panel will get angry in a second or two. Or will it? It will eventually. Okay, new optical on. Then we can go on to auto learn, accept new device. Look at that. 37 devices, but it is running the whole house now. So also updated zone map. Interesting. Okay. Now if we go on to view/edit, we scroll down to optical smoke detector, that has a value of 28. Currently on mode 3. With MX Pro 5s, I like how it keeps the device text, unlike in MX Pro 4s where it deletes the text. Then we can go on to sensitivity, change the delay to 0 because that's not needed. Mode 1. I like having pre-alarm set to 35. Alarm. I can't remember if you can change it on Discovery. I don't think you can. Yeah, you can't. See, it went back up. But yeah, mode is the only thing that you can change. And delay and pre-alarm level. But yeah, 32. Yeah, I might just change it back to 40 instead. Pre-alarm. Yeah. Let's see how high the level is. 30. Alright, not too bad. Now we can test it. So 1 second while I get my testing soldering iron. I know some of you don't like that, but too bad. Costs less. Also the logo. I need to take my computer down here and change one of the settings which is inhibit logos, which is why it wasn't showing my logo originally, but it will be soon. Well, as soon as I get my computer in, which will probably be this weekend, but yeah. Alright, now we're gonna test it. Now that the soldering iron has warmed up. Also, I'm annoyed that I screwed the base on, so the thing is like not aligned the LEDs nicely with the gap, but I will do that one day. Just quickly take it down and fix it. So as we can see, zone 1, which according to that is correct. Workbench smoke, level 51. Well, it's going down now, which is good. Also, before I forget, let's change this back. Okay. Blow it out. Now, if I'm correct, 26. And that light only lights up if there's more than 2 fires, or more than one. So, just because why not? I'll just have to be more areas. Well, it still works with button, but I think it has to be more than 2 areas in fire. Well, by areas I mean zones, but yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!